Hey guys, so I know this is a different video, like I'd said in the channel update and stuff, but this is my Thomas collection video because, well, why not make a collection video based off of like one of the things I make on this channel and one of my favorite things from my childhood. So yeah, also this is a new little animated version of me. You like me? Like how I look? No? Okay, that's fine. Anyways, let's start it. Well, there's the entirety of the Trackmaster 2 motorized collection from rolling stock all the way to, well, obviously Thomas back there. That's also now counting these random motors and random body shells of engines I own. But yeah, that's enough for the Trackmaster 2. Now to the rest of it. Are some of the push along items I could found. I don't know where Emily is, so these are the only push along items I could find for this video. But if I find her, I'll put her in here somewhere. Here's all the play rail / Tony and Hit Toy stuff. This is all that I currently own for right now. That's okay. Most of this was gifted from a friend. These. And most of these I bought on my own, which is these 3. Well, 5. And yeah. Here's the Nyland collection. Not that many of them. Only missing Annie and Toby and another salt can or freight car, I believe, and this whole thing will be complete. But yeah, that's the Nyland stuff for now. Now it's on to the tiny minis and all this other jibber jabber stuff and something else. wooden railway section. Like over here. Tiny little wooden railway section and tiny tankalong section. Now we focus on the next things coming up, and then probably we're almost done. That was just a tiny Ertl collection with this Percy, Thomas, and a little duck I was gifted. But I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be more Ertls, more tankalongs, and especially more wooden railway with more of them. I don't know yet, might give these away. But for now, I'm not. Well, actually, now I think about it, I'm not gonna give them away. But yeah, it's gonna be more of these to come. But now we're off to the miscellaneous and then the model stuff. Just like we started from all the way to end it all the way down here to my Thomas the Tank Engine collection. I think there's some things I missed. If I did, editor me, let me know. Go ahead and give it a minute. Okay, so yeah, my entire Thomas the Tank Engine collection, and some missing things, if, like I said. But yeah, if you guys like this video, and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what's your favorite range of Thomas merch, or favorite range of anything, and what do you collect. And yeah, see you guys later, and have a wonderful day.